Photoshop has updates with the selection tools, making it so much easier for you guys to select things. It still has the polygon tools, which is handy for you to really have total control, but it has these newer smart quick selection tools, which are super great. I especially like this paintbrush one here, which I'll go ahead and demo for you right now. To use it, I'm going to try and select this little Yoda character. Now, if you notice though, you really have to be aware of what layer you're on, because this is not going to work if I'm not on the correct layer. Right now I'm on a text layer, so it's just going to try to select the text and not Yoda. So I got to figure out where Yoda is. You can use these eyeballs to see layers too, so it looks like this is where Yoda is, not on this one. So make sure you're actually on the correct layer. So the correct layer is now selected. I got my little paintbrush tool selected. Here's a nice demo as well from Photoshop. I recommend you guys watching. But if I just click one time, it just tries to select what you think it wants. But if I want to select more, I don't have to hold shift anymore to select more. I can just keep clicking. I'm just clicking one time. But the paintbrush, it actually has the option to click and drag. I'm going to deselect, Command D. So I can just click my mouse. I'm going to keep holding it down. So, and I'm moving my mouse, and it's adding more. So it's super user-friendly and smart. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. That's an awesome new update. But again, it's still good to know the other ones in case you really want to control something specifically with these polygon tools as well. All right, good luck.